Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna make a dolphin. So let's start. The first step is to make the body. Start at the top, going up and down, keeping a circular shape. Then a C shape for the nose. And from that point, draw an S curve type, narrow at the bottom. Now for the tail, make a tip and repeat the process. The lateral fins, now you can add the eye with a small circle inside of it. The top fin and the mouth. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!